In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish draft pages in WordPress. Whether you're polishing an important publication or just starting out with a fresh page, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and turn your drafts into fully published, live web pages. First, you will want to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your main control center, so once you're in, you're ready to take the next steps to get your draft pages live on your site. From the dashboard, look for the sidebar navigation menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This menu holds all the tools you need to manage your website content efficiently. Now, let's focus on the Pages section. Click on Pages to open up the list of all the pages that have been created so far. This includes your draft pages, scheduled publications, and those that are already live. By selecting All Pages, you'll get a comprehensive view of everything you or your team have created. Here, among the list of your pages, identify the draft page you want to publish. Draft pages are typically labeled to help you find them quickly, often marked as draft under the status column. Once you've found the draft you need, click on the page title or the Edit link that appears when you hover over it. This action will open the page editor where you can do any final tweaks or adjustments before making the page public. In the editor, now is the perfect time to go through your content, review any text, images, or any other information on the page. Ensure everything looks exactly as you intend. Remember, once the page is live, any mistakes will be visible to your audience, so it's worth giving it a careful look. If you find anything that needs changing, you can edit right here within the editor. Once you're satisfied with how your page looks, direct your attention to the Publish panel. On the Publish panel, which you'll typically find on the right side of your screen, you'll see a blue button that says Publish. Simply click this button to make your draft page live. In some WordPress setups, you might need to confirm this action, and you might see a pop-up box asking you to ensure you want to publish the content. Confirm when prompted, and your page will be published. After completing these steps, you can view your newly published page by clicking View Page. This will allow you to see your work as your visitors will, ensuring everything is just as you want it. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can make sure your draft pages are ready, polished, and posted for the world to see. Remember, with WordPress, practice makes perfect. As you continue creating and publishing, these processes will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing!